guys, your girl has not forgotten about you. I've actually been on vacation here in Japan almost for 2 weeks, but I am returning back to the United States over the weekend, and let me tell you guys, jet lag is bitch. Now that I've just gotten used to it, it's almost time to leave, so I have not forgotten about you, lovely, beautiful people. And guess what? The back to school giveaway will be ending on the 20th, so if you're not already a subscriber, make sure you do hit the subscribe button down below and head on over to the back to school giveaway video and register to win. Again, it ends August the 20th. Your girl will be back in the good old US this weekend, so I apologize for being MIA with you guys, but your girl needed a little vacation. I will see you guys this weekend for some videoage. I have some thoughts and some videoages coming your way. Yeah, that. Bye.